First, ensure your suppressor is securely installed on your rifle. Make sure to leave the QD mechanism exposed for easy attachment and detachment. Measure the length of the sleeving needed to cover the suppressor, ensuring you leave a little bit of the front exposed. This exposure is crucial for a secure grip on the suppressor to prevent any rotational movement. Start by removing any bungee cords or ropes from the suppressor cover. Gently loosen up the back end of the cover. Then proceed to do the same towards the front, ensuring it's fully opened. Carefully slide the cover over the suppressor, starting from the front. Begin cinching the cover down from the front towards the back to ensure it fits snugly and won't fly off during use. Tighten the rope on one side of the cover to secure the front part, making sure to work away from the loop for a snug fit. Continue to tighten the cover at the rear to prevent it from sliding off. Ensure the cover is cinched tightly around the entirety of the suppressor's body. Take the rope and loop it around, going against the loop cord. Find the small grooves or gaps where the rope can be cinched down further. Pull on the bungee to loop it around once or twice, securing it tightly. Thread the bungee through the loop cord and cinch point for an additional loop, ensuring everything is tight and secure. By following these steps, you'll have a suppressor cover installed securely on your SUREFIRE SOCOM 556 RC2.